Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to redeem code and free cash. In this video, I'll show you how to redeem a code and free cash. First, open the FreeCash website, click on the notifications icon in the top right corner. You will see an option to claim your sign-up bonus. Tap on Claim Now. In the field provided, answer your referral or promo code. If you don't have a specific code, you can simply type free to open a case and receive a reward. Once you submit it, the system will randomly generate a reward for you. As an example, I received 25 cents, but the amount can vary. You can repeat this process with different codes if available, making it a fun and easy way to earn small rewards. Remember, checking the notifications regularly ensures you don't miss out on new bonus codes or special offers. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.